I let these bananas get way too ripe for me to eat them.
Don't be a little bitch, we can make banana bread with some chocolate chips.
That's a great idea, how do we do it?
Get a big ass bowl and throw your nanas into it. Now you gotta mash it up, add a little melted butter, about 1/3 of a cup.
Ooh, it's already smelling good, tell me what comes next.
Add some baking soda, sugar, and a farm fresh egg, then vanilla extract and a pinch of salt.
I don't know, this might be runnier than we want.
No shit, we need some flour, my dude. Then you mix the batter up till it's silky and smooth.
Is it time to add the chocolate chips?
Yeah, throw in a half cup and then fold it in. Now it's time to pour it in the pan, motherfucker. But first you gotta lubricate the sides with some butter.
I'm pouring it in and I'm topping it off with more chocolate chips.
When your oven's at 350, put your bread up in it and bake it for like 45 minutes.
Did it, cheater?
I knew we would.
I never knew bad bananas could taste this good.